Oh, I'm gonna do all of this up to 200, so might as well start here. The time is 9:38 p.m. on April 11th, 2024. Just see how long this takes me. Starting with 1 here, if I could actually. There we go. 1 only has one factor, which is 1. 1 over 1, I think you know that's 1. So we're just going to plot that there. 2 has 2 and 1 as factors. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 over 2 is 1.5. Fun fact, 2 is the highest abundance prime because they just get less and less and less. And by the time you get to some large prime, say greater than a million, it's like 5 million, 1 over 5 million, which is like 0.00, is like 1.00002 or something crazy like that. So infinitely gets smaller. As a matter of fact, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 3, which is about 1.33-ish. I'm gonna put about right there. 4 is the first composite number on our list here. We have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 7 over 4 is 1.75. Marking it there. See, this line of y equals 2 is perfect, perfect numbers. Everything above that line is abundant. Everything below it is deficient. Now we have, oh, I put that on 5. Dang it. Oh, I don't have an eraser. Hold on. Having fun switching hands with the camera here. Because I don't have a second. It's fun. Alright, but yeah, 4 is 7/4, so about right there. And now 5, which is 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5, 1.2. Could be 1.4, so that's squared than 3. Hold on, let me just... Better camera angle there. Alright, 6. 6 is actually a perfect number. 1 plus 3... 1 plus... Already getting delirious. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 12. 12 over 6 equals 2. So we're just gonna go over here to 6 if I can actually find it. And 2 and 6 is our first perfect number. 7, we just get 8/7, or about 1.14. 8, we look over. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is going to be 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 over 8, just under perfection here. So about, move my camera over about right here-ish. 9 has 9 plus 3, 12, 13 over 9, to about 1.444. Just going to be on the 1.4 line, about right there. 10 plus 5, 2, 17, 18, 18 over 10, exactly on 1.8. 11 is the next prime, which will go about right there, I think. Pretty soon I'm going to have to get my calculation paper out. And we have 12. 12 is actually the first abundant number. 12 plus 6 is 18, and then... Yeah, 12 plus 6 is 18, then 1, 2... Hold on. 4, 6, 10, 22... Yeah, so 28, which actually puts it at 7/3, or I think 7/3 is what, 2.333, which is going to be about right here. 13. Actually, I'm gonna hold on, just switch paper here. And actually, well, I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to put all this in a binder. Alright. This is work for 13. This is also the first time you will ever get to see my handwriting, which is, I think, pretty cool. Which we're going to do 13 here. We're going to go... Goes in once, 13, 1, can't go, so it's going to be 0.0 something. It's going to be, 7 times 13 is 91. So it's going to have to be times 7. 1.07, which I think is warrants good enough. So it's going to be 13 times 7 is 91. It's going to give us 9. So I think that warrants... Readjust myself here. Readjusting noise. So I think that warrants good enough. There, so let me just grab this back. Oh, wrong side. So that means that 13 sits at about 1.07, or about, be right there. Go 14. 14 is going to be 14 plus 7, which is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 24 over 14, which simplifies down to 12 over 7. 12 over 7. It's about 1.57 here, 1.5 all the way over to about 1.5. So make sure I did that right. That's between 1.6 and 1.7. All right. Next, number 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 24 over 15 divided both by 3. We're going to get 8 over 5. Or, what is that, 1.6? 1.6. Exactly. All right. 17 is prime. We're going to come over here. Work for 17. For fact, 17 is one of my favorite numbers. 18 over 17, because I actually know the multiples of 17 quite well. So we're going to go, goes in 1, 17, 1.00. It's going to be 85, which is, so it's going to be 0.5, which is going to be 85. 15, which is automatically good enough. So that's going to be 1.05, which is going to put it about right here. All right, 18, which I do believe is actually, so I think, yeah, because most of the multiples of 6 are, abundant. So 18 plus 9 is 27. Hold on, I'm going to have to work this out right here. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go work for 18. We're going to go 18 plus 9 plus, it divides by 6, it divides by, does not divide by 4, divides by 3 and 2 and 1, which is going to equal, that is 6, 12, 39. Now we're actually going to have to do, oh, my shoulder hurts. 39 divide 18. It's hard to divide while looking through a phone screen. So it's going to be 18, doesn't go into 3, does go into 39. That will be twice, which is 36. It's going to be 3.0. That's going to go in once. 18.1. 18 is going to go in 12 times. And, I don't know, I guess 2.1 is decent, but I want to go at least to 100th like I did for the other two. So, we're going to go 12.0. Jeez, what is... I think it's 6. Is it 6? I think it is. Just quickly going to do 18.6 here. 8, carrier 4, 6 number 1, 4, 10, 108. Which is going to be, yeah, so that's going to be... Yeah, 2.16 repeating, actually, so that's going to be 108, yeah, it's going to be 12 right there, so, yep. 2.16 repeating is Abundancy Index for 18. You actually have to move it up here, because there's 2.1, 16, 17, 18, 2.166 is going to be about right there, alright. 19 prime time for another calculation here. think I'm gonna have to make sure I'm on the same line here. Draw from my phone here. Work for. No, that is bad. That's what I get for trying to draw through an iPhone screen at what 11. I'm 9:50 at night. So this is going to be 20 over 19. It's looking worse. Here's the 21 dot, and it's gonna go over. What am I doing? 1.00. It's gonna go in 0. So 19 goes in 1938, 857, 76, 95. So it's gonna go in. It's gonna be 95, which is gonna be 5, which is already good enough. So 1.05 again for 19. 20, Mr. Primitive Abundant Number. 20 is going to be 20 plus 10. Hello. 20 plus 10, 30. Holy cow, hold on. A lot of factors. Okay, actually. Which would be 20 plus 10, 5, 4, 2, 1. Going to be 9, 10, 12, 2. That's going to be 42. 42, which are going to end up being 21 over 10. It's going to be exactly 2.1. Funny. It's up at 2.1, so I'm trying to go over 20. Down. There it is. Done everything up to 20 in 12 minutes. By hand. So we'll just multiply 12 by 100 to get... it's going to take 2 hours. Alright. 21 here. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 3... 31, 32 over 21, which is exactly 1/2. Don't ask how I know that. 22, 11 plus, hold on, 33, 34, 35, 36 over 22, which is going to give us 18 over 11. You're not fun. My handwriting looks terrible, but I mean, you try and write through a phone screen at 10 o'clock at night. 2 is gonna be, so it was 21 over 11? Is that right? Was it right? 21 over 11, right? 18 over 11. No, was it 18 over 11? Say what? Okay, so 22 plus, wasn't it? 33, 35, 36 over 22 would be 18 over 11, yeah. So we go 18, at least I have a decent number to divide by, over. What is that? 11. So it's going to be 18 goes in once, 11, 7. That's going to be, what, 0 goes in 6 times. It's going to be 66. 4.0 goes in 3 times 1.63 is all I needed. Relative abundancy index of 1.63. Just going to go in about right there. All right, 23. Prime time for prime numbers. I've already exhausted the sheet. Backside. Chicken jockey. Oh, so unnecessary. What are we doing now? Work for 23. So bad. 124. Yes. What is that? 23. Goes in 1.0. I already know, so it's going to be 23, 1.00. That's where the fun begins. 23. I don't happen to know my multiples of 23. I do happen to know my multiples of 23. 23, 46, 69, 80, 82, 92. 1.04. Which would be 6, so 1.046. But 1.046 is not needed. We only need 2 sig figs of precision. 2 sig figs, so 1.04. Just going to go about right there. Sure. 24. And do I smell abundant number? 24 would be what? I think I need more math. Try and squeeze 3 in per row. It's gonna be 24 and 12 and 8 and 6 and 4, 3, 2, 1, which is going to be 1, 3, 6, 10, 16 plus 8, 24, 48. 48 plus 12 is 60. So that means it's going to be 30 over 12, 15 over 6. Divide both by 3 is going to be 5 over 2. I think that's exactly 2.5. 5 over 2, exactly 2.5. So now, our abundance record breaker. Exactly 2.5 times 2. Oh, 25. No. That says 24. I thought it was on 25. Speaking of 25, 30, 31. 31 over 25. 31 over 25. It's not my friend. See, that's what it looks like, not like through the phone screen. I'm just going to go 31, 25. Still laughing at that one over there. Which is going to be, oh, my shoulder. It's killing me. Just elbow it out all the way. Sit here. I don't know. Dividing 25 by 31. How do you divide 25 by 31? Point. Zero. Bro, I'm 25. 6.0. Oh. Oh, okay, never mind. Is 0 not necessary? 20. Let's see half of it. 25. 25 goes into 60 twice. 50. It's going to be 10. It's going to be 100, which is going to be 1.24. Which is going to be exact. So it's 1.24 exactly. Is 25 really deficient? I could have sworn that thing would have been abundant. It's going to be 1.24. We've eclipsed the 20-minute mark on to 26. 39. 41, 42 over 26 is going to be 21 over 13. Why do I always have to divide prime numbers? I didn't have a single issue until I got up to, what? 13, and now I'm at 26 on the back of the page. I don't want to divide by prime numbers. 21 over 13. But it goes in once. 13, 8.0 dot. How many times is 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78. Which is going to be 78. 78? Oh, yeah. Because 3 times 6 is 8. Wait, 3 times 6 is 8? What? Huh? Eight, 2.0, which is going to be 1, 13, 7.0, which is going to be 5. I'm just going to not worry about it. I'm just 1.61. Wait, what the heck? Is the abundance of 25 really lower than the abundance of 26? Hold on. Well, I've had striking revelations after using a calculator. The abundancy of 26, it's higher than the abundancy of 25, which is really baffling to me. Okay, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. It's 36. So is it divisible by anything else? It's divisible by 3. It's 39. 10 plus 1, 40. 40 over 27. Oh, my mind's broken. Another day, another work for a number. Sure. Says 40. At least 40 is a nice round number. Goes in once, 27. That will be 13. It could have been any number but 13, and it would have made me happy. Happy, happy, happy. I'm not okay. Oh, man. It's 1:30. That's just gonna be 9. 1 point. No. I swear I'm going mad. I'm going mad. I'm actually going mad. There's no way. There's no way in the world that I'm... Great. Low battery. Nobody asked. $2.43. I'm an idiot. I'm a true idiot. 27 times 5 would just be... Oh, 27 times 5 be? But 30 times 5 is 150. 28 times 5 is 140. That means it would be 135, which means it has to be 4 alive. Ow. It's gonna be 28 plus, what, 80? 108. Sure. I was about to say, could not be. It's 4. So that's gonna be what? 210 to 0. Let's just leave it at... I actually want to throw my phone at the wall. Let's just leave it at 1.4 and call it that, right? 1.4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just leave it at 1.4. 28, 28, 28, 28, 20. I'm going mad. I'm going insane. I think I'm just going to cut it here, and I'm just going to resume in the morning, because, I think I might actually... 10:05, and I'm going insane. All doing math. It's going to take me 2 hours. I'm going insane.